Today for lunch we have a pub sub with a side of Dennis yelling. Oh my god, I'm starving. Okay, let's try it. That bite was all olives, I won't lie. I was thinking about it and I wanted to try it with the sauce that I got from Barbados. I know that you can get this on Amazon, but like they had it everywhere there. It's just this pepper sauce, really spicy. So we're just gonna, a little bit. Perfect. I'm really excited because I found the Poppy new flavor. Maybe it's not new, but it's new to me. That is so good. Would you like to join? Okay, I'm saving this half for later.